Welcome to Calvince Online Math. Let us look at this nice question. Compute the negative of log to base 2 of log to base 3 of the square root of the fourth root of 3. The first thing you need to deal with is the number. You can use the laws of indices to write this radical into simple numbers. So according to the laws of indices, if you have the nth root of a number a, that is the same as that number raised to power 1 over n. So it means here we have negative log to base 2 of log to base 3, and then we write these according to this law of indices. So the inner one is going to be 3 raised to power 1 over 4, and then there's the square root again, which is just 1 over 2. So what we have is the negative of log to base 2 of log to base 3 of 3, then just multiply the powers, and that will be 1 over 8. So I want us to first of all just simplify the inner log. So remember, according to the third law of logarithms, if you have log to base a of b raised to power n, that is the same as n log to base a of b. So let us apply that property here so that we have negative log to base 2 in bracket. You can actually bring 1 over 8 before the log according to this law, so that we have 1 over 8 log to base 3 of 3. Also remember, according to the laws of indices or laws of logarithms, if the bases are the same, that is log to base a of a, then that log is the same as 1. So it means in the bracket, log to base 3 of 3 is 1. So what we are left with is actually log to base 2 of 1 over 8, because this is 1. So you have 1 over 8 times 1, which is just 1 over 8. And you can use the laws of indices to write this as, remember there's a negative here, as negative log to base 2 of 8 raised to power negative 1. And you can still write 8 to a base 2, so that you have negative log to base 2 of 2 raised to power 3. So that 3 times negative 1, that is minus 3. So again, you apply the third law of logarithms, and you bring this power before the log, so that what you're left with is negative 3 times a negative log to base 2 of 2. So negative times negative is positive. So it means we have 3 log to base 2 of 2. So remember, we say that when the base and the number are the same, it means that log is 1. So what we have is just 3 times 1, which is just 3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.